This podcast is from Volume 9 of the book series, 100 Top Lies of Satan. Which ones do you or your church believe? This is lie number 15. As long as I'm 51% good versus 49% bad, I'll go to heaven when I die. Psalm 89, 30 through 34. If his children forsake my law and walk not in my judgments, if they break my statutes and keep not my commandments, then will I visit their transgression with the rod and their iniquity with stripes. Nevertheless, my loving kindness will I not utterly take from him, nor suffer my faithfulness to fail. My covenant will I not break, nor alter the thing that has gone out of my lips. The scales of justice are the most commonly used symbol in the legal system, seen in courthouses, law firms, and judicial bodies, to symbolize a fair legal system, free of prejudice, so that a fair and right outcome can be reached. Some people use these scales to weigh their cumulative good and bad actions. They believe that as long as the good outweighs the bad, that God will allow them entrance into heaven. Our next lesson, Unity of Moral Action, explores this concept of mixing moral with immoral behavior. How does God decide at the final judgment whose name is ultimately written in the book of life? Our next episode will discuss lie number 14. God has to allow for some sin in believers, or no one would make it into heaven. From Volume 9 of the book series, 100 Top Lies of Satan. Which ones do you or your church believe? Please come back and give it a listen.
Remember, the paperback book and Kindle e-reader versions, 100 Top Lies of Satan, Which Ones Do You or Your Church Believe, can be purchased on Amazon.com. Do a search for 100 Top Lies of Satan, and you can order from there. Also visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/topliesofsatan. Our podcasts are found at www.podcast.com/100 Top Lies of Satan with hyphens in between 363AF03C6. Our blogs can be found at topliesofsatan.wixsite.com/website. Finally, our YouTube channel can be found by searching for 100 Top Lies of Satan.